Thank you for watching Everyday Culture.
Don't forget to subscribe.
When you see what my grandmother puts in the washing machine, you will do the same. Your clothes will be like new. Here we will try to make it easier for you, because there is a very simple and inexpensive way to get rid of stains and keep your clothes nice and fresh, and it's something we use every day: white vinegar. Here are some ways you can use white vinegar so that your clothes are fresh and clean. White vinegar as a softener. White vinegar has the same effect as a softener. Pour it in a washing machine as you would with a softener, and you'll have even softer and more environmental softener. Eliminates sweat stains. The acid in vinegar helps to remove unsightly grease stains on your white laundry. It increases the power of your detergent. Only pour half a glass in your laundry prior to the wash to increase the power of the detergent and keep the color of your clothes. Reduces detergent residue. Half a cup of vinegar on your clothes will also reduce the residue of detergent in your laundry, which is bad for your skin. Get rid of the odor. Using white vinegar removes all bad odors from your clothes. Removes stains. If your laundry has some stains that you cannot easily wash, soak them in hot water with half a cup of vinegar. Leave them overnight and then wash them as usual.